Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube variety channel, Miss Linda C. Jones. It is approximately 3 minutes before midnight, and yes, here in the greater metropolitan area of New Orleans, Louisiana, we are a firecracker city. We light firecrackers. I'm so excited to be celebrating the new year with family. And as you can hear, all the firecrackers going off. It's almost 2021. Okay, so now it's still 3 minutes. It's 11:57 p.m. We have about 3 minutes left of 2020. So as I had stated earlier, I think it's so important for us to think about everything that we're grateful for. No matter what we may be going through, there's always a reason to lift our vibration into a higher state. There's always something to be grateful for. And, oh, look at those. Okay, you can't see them yet, but we can certainly hear them. Anyway, there's always something to be grateful for. Always. Now we are at, look at those. Wow. We are at 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left of 2020 as we go into 2021. Wow, look at that. That's really pretty. The light show from my porch. Wow, we are ringing in the new year. So as we go into 2021, just remember there's always something to be grateful for. You can look around and you can see the phenomenal beauty that we are surrounded by. Wow, look at all those firecrackers. And I just think that it's so important to really count your blessings, to really make a list physically and mentally of what it is you're grateful for. And ooh, wow, look at that. Look at that. It's 2021 in 1 minute. It is, ooh, very pretty. It's 11:59, everybody. We are on. Hey, Happy New Year! Say Happy New Year on my YouTube channel, Lindsay. Happy New Year! Wow! Oh, wow! Look at that! Woo! 1 minute left of 2020. Oh, wow! Oh man! Oh, that is beautiful. Here it is. It's 2021. Oh, wow. Woo, look at that. It doesn't get any better than this. You don't even have to leave your house. Right from my porch, I am seeing a fireworks show. Oh, my goodness. Happy New Year 2021. Wow. Happy New Year, everybody. 2020 is in the record books. Do you want to say hi on my YouTube channel? That's my awesome neighbor Lindy and her cat. Happy New Year. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, that is, ooh, wow. It doesn't get any better. Fireworks from the porch. Wow. Wow. Live from New Orleans, Louisiana. Oh man. I mean, just go out on my porch and experience a beautiful fireworks show. Happy New Year, Ryan. Happy New Year to all my loved ones. I love you so much. Oh, wow. It is 2021, so as I was sharing, wow, oh just wow, beautiful. As we see the light show in the sky, as the weather has turned cooler, after a little bit of a warm spell here in New Orleans, Louisiana, the weather is cooler. It is 2021. We are saying goodbye to 2020. How does the saying go? Bye, Felicia. Anyway, wow. Oh, wow. As we welcome in and embrace the new year in New Orleans, Louisiana, let's all lift one another up. Let's love one another. Let's pray for one another. Let's vibrate high. We have to elevate our vibration. Let's make sure that we are vibing high. A high vibrational frequency is really, really good for our mental well-being. Wow. I mean, literally, just walk out and see a fireworks show from my porch. Happy New Year, Ryan. I love you so much, my sweet nephew and godchild. Happy New Year. Wow. To all of my family, I love you so much. This is extraordinary. So this is a blessing. All I have to do is go on my front porch and see a beautiful fireworks display. Yes, indeed. Right here in New Orleans, Louisiana, the historical city filled with food, fun, architecture, tradition, faith, family, community. Happy 2021, everyone. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, sharing, and commenting right here on the Miss Linda C. Jones YouTube variety channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing as I share my music, being a professional musician here in my hometown, faith, family, community, and anything and everything that vibrates the radiating frequency that is New Orleans, Louisiana. God bless everybody. Thank you so much. The fireworks are still going off, but I'm going to wrap this video up now. Bye.